Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your model for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. To check a model, we need to use an application. Open Galaxy Wearable application, and if you add these earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. After that, scroll down again and go to About Earbuds at the bottom. Right here we have model number, so you can check your model this way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!